Today, I'm gonna show you how to make best Thai Basil Chicken. Thai Basil Chicken is one of the most famous Thai street food, and you can make it easily at home. It takes only 20 minutes. I really like this recipe and made it so many times. So let's get started by chopping the ingredients. Basil, roughly chopped. Ginger, finely chopped. Garlic, finely chopped. Onion, also finely chopped. Chicken thigh, finely chopped. Of course, you can use food processor. I'm gonna introduce all the ingredients. Chicken thigh, onion, garlic, ginger, some chili. Any chili will work. I'm using Japanese dry chili. Basil, vegetable oil, oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, and sugar. I'm using these products, by the way. Heat 3 to 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pan of a medium-high heat. Once the pan is warmed up, add the onion, cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until it starts to get brown. Once the onion is cooked, add the garlic, the ginger, and the chili, and cook for another 1 minute. Next, add the chicken and cook until no longer pink. Once the chicken is cooked, add all the seasonings, which is sugar, soy sauce, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. After adding the seasonings, it should look something like this. There is so much liquid. Now we're gonna reduce it almost completely. Turn the heat up to high and reduce it quickly. Once the liquid is reduced around 1/5, lower the heat to medium and continue to reduce around almost all the liquid is evaporated. Once that's done, it should look something like this. And then turn off the heat, mix in the basil. That's it. Now, ready to serve up. Now, just let me show you the whole process of this recipe quickly. This recipe is so simple and easy, it takes only 20 minutes. Just cook the onion, and the garlic, ginger, chili, and the chicken, and the seasonings, and then just reduce. Add the basil at the end, and done. First some rice, top with the chicken. Fried egg go well with this dish, so make sure to make it. This is not optional. Preferably Asian style fried egg with crispy edge. I also add some cucumber and tomato. Looks so delicious. I'm so excited. The chicken is very flavorful, so savory, and it goes well with fried egg really well. It makes me want more rice. So delicious. So please give it a try and let me know how it turns out. And I'm learning English now. Also let me know which word or expression was wrong. Thank you for watching. See you next time.